We'll start with warm-up. So, come on with me. I'll let you know the song. Let's do warm-up first. Go down, touch your toes. Wait for 5 seconds. Enough. Now, shoulder outward. Change inward. Yeah. One, two, three, four. Don't move your upper body, just move from your lower body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your toes, keep your foot pointed, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now over here. Yeah, slow movements, not too fast, not too slow. Okay, now stretch yourself. Now go towards your left foot, then move towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, be back. Some hand movements. Neck movement. Stretch it. Keep that arm slowly down. As much as you can. Just don't put yourself too much. Okay? Slowly. Now change in the direction. Okay. I think we are done for warm-up. And today's song is Galdi Se Mistake. We have 12 beats before the second beat starts. It is the basic starting of the song. Okay. After that, we'll have the lyrics, some other beats. So, suppose we are entering on the stage. So, keep your hand over there and take a walk. Now, it's like a robotic walk and it will be on the beat. So, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a bit a robotic walk. So, it will be 1, down, 2, 3, 4. In 4, you have to come in center. So, we'll start that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, after that, 1, round. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now the whole steps, okay? Now the whole steps will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now with the hand, it's closed. Okay? Suppose you are holding some stick and all. 1, 2. Make a round. No. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. We see there is a change of music. So before that, we have to repeat our second step, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now when we will change the steps, okay, we're not going to take from left, we're going to take it from right only. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we will start again. So our steps were 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? After that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are leaving like 2 to 3 beats, like take 4 beats. Okay, after that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now after that, so we'll take a round, okay, with walk. Suppose we are 1, 2, 3, 4. After finishing that step, after finishing that 4 step, okay, after that we'll take walk. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In that 8 beats, you will come in center and the music will end. After that, we'll start with the lines. झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ है. So how we a shock? झटका जरा सा. Okay. झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ है. We'll do that in sideways. Okay. Side, out, in, out. झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ है. Okay. Then we are holding the steering of the car. Life की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक. Okay. झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ है. Life की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक. After that 4 beats are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll repeat that same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. So we'll sing the song while performing. So please do the lip sync. So after that, when we do a break, like life ki gaadi, full body wave. Suppose we are holding a steering. Okay, लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक. There's a slight jump when there's a break. Okay? After that, I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. हो रहा है क्यों? There's a side walk. हो रहा है क्यों? 2 steps walk. So it is हो रहा है क्यों? We are questioning. हो रहा है क्यों? Confuse मेरे है क्यों? Confuse मेरे दिल. Okay. In हो रहा है क्यों? Confuse मेरे दिल. Now in the dil we will stop in the center. Before that we'll keep the walking. हो रहा है क्यों? Confuse मेरे दिल. फिर मशवरा मेरा. मशवरा मेरा. Okay? Like take my advice. मशवरा मेरा. तू आज़मा के देख. मशवरा मेरा. After this backward walk, it is मशवरा मेरा. तू आज़मा के देख. Like आज़मा के, like suppose we are making a hair, like it's a cool move we say. तू आज़मा के देख. Okay? And a bit of coolness, fun attitude. Okay.
जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी देख के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आज़मा के देख.
We will continue in our next class the further steps, the further song.